Yeah, it's your boy Slick Fresh. You already know we back with another one, man. Hitting y'all with something exclusive, man. Straight off of work, still in my work clothes, man. Got something hot for you. So you already know, man. If you like what I've been bringing to the table, man, like what I've been bringing to you guys' attention, make sure y'all bang that subscription box, man. Hit up that notification button and hit that like button, man. Show some love on this channel, man. And you already know, make sure y'all, hey, comment, and we stay vocal with all you guys. So, hey, without further ado, we gonna get into this exclusive Slick Fresh cop, man. Hey, I think y'all gonna like this one. Stay tuned. Yeah. So like I said, man, I'm fresh off of work, man. This package just arrived today, and I'm about to jump right into it, man. This is definitely an exclusive cop. This was actually a cop which I could have got in my size. I actually got it in my girl size because I thought that I would actually have better chances with this size, which, voila, it worked for me. So, about to hop right into this, man. But yeah, definitely a good cop for sure, for sure. I just, you know what I'm saying? I decided to get them, not in my size this time, but still in the household, you know what I'm saying? So sneaker game still going crazy. But yeah, man. So what we have here, we got those Be True VaporMax, right? And this the box that came in, you know, classic Nike box. Better than most, because you already know these boxes are those boxes that can come in bad condition, but not for this one. And I actually got these off of the SNKRS app. You know, the SNKRS app does do a good job at making sure that your packages arrive in a nice, timely manner, but also, you know what I mean, most of my boxes come intact, you know what I'm saying? But definitely, this is the AIR VAPORMAX Plus Betrue. The retail value on these wasn't bad at all. It was $190. It's up there, but at the same time, man, these, I don't know if they were limited or not limited. I do know that they sold out on the SNKRS app, but I got my hands on a pair. Okay. Yeah, you see the size, man. You see the size. It's not, and this is an actual men's size, but I got it in a men's size that could fit, you know what I mean, my girl. So I'm about to open these things up, man, and bro, that's crazy. I definitely was plotting on these for a minute. I just thought that the colors on these was popping. This is actually the first VaporMax I actually went out and purchased. I have been buying a lot of Air Max lately, but this is the first VaporMax, and of course, I didn't get it for myself. So here we go. Take that thing out, man, and instantly, like, I'm looking at this shoe and it's just popping with colors. Like it's like a rainbow or something, man. You see like a little pink up in here. You got the purple going through it too, man. And then the bottom is, oh, bro, like I don't even know where to start on this shoe. This is definitely a great shoe. I definitely think that also with the colorway, it wasn't really me, you know what I mean? The feel of the colorway wasn't really me, so I really thought that this would have been a better women's shoe. You know, I just thought this was a girly colorway, all right? And though there's some people out there that be like, yo, it's not no girl color, of course not. I could put something on with these. I know I can, you know what I mean? But I'm not knocking anybody that went out and actually got these shoes. That's a guy, you know what I mean, and want to push these because these are some nice kicks. But yeah, you see that. Like, it's popping with colors all over, man. I really like just the VaporMax more than anything. The main thing on the shoe is like the VaporMax, which I've never put these on my feet before, but I heard that they are really comfortable. I'm gonna get my girl to put these on, you know what I mean, and just see how she, like what she think about them, and I can give you guys some feedback on that as well. But definitely a nice shoe, man. Grab this other one out with it. I'm really liking that, and I'm gonna show you the back. That's the back, and you know it got the Be True right here. Do both of them got it? Yep, both of those got that Be True on the back, and then on the tongue you got the Nike sign. on the tongue. Look like a triangle or something on the tongue with the Nike sign. And then you got the Be True. You know, you got the Be True even going through, you know, the shoe itself on the bottom of the shoe. You know what I mean? Pretty clean. I think these sneakers are just dope. You know what I mean? Look at the bottoms, man. Bottoms popping with colors. It got, look like a little pink, a little green, some blue, purple. Got it all up in here, man. I definitely think that this is a must cop, you know what I mean? But the colorway is not for everybody, you know? But I definitely like the colorway, just not on my foot. But let me know what you guys think of these shoes. I definitely think this was a dope colorway, and that's why they sold out. As far as like the release date, they were playing around with the release date. I think Sneakers app does things on purpose, like, you know, remove certain shoes once they give you the release date and stuff, and kind of force you to remember when the shoes are going to drop. But I'm happy, satisfied that they got here in a timely manner, and hopefully I'm one of the first guys to bring y'all a review of these sneakers as well, man. But definitely a clean pair. If y'all want to get a pair for your girl or for yourself, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and do that. But more than likely, I think if you're going to try to go and get these, you're probably not going to get it for retail price. You know what I mean? Unless you luck up on a pair. But definitely let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You already know I'm going to try my best to see your comment and comment back and be vocal. But bang that subscription box, and you already know we got more on the way. I got an on foot on the way as well. Hey, it's going to be to you guys by next week. So make sure y'all banging that subscription box, hitting that like button, man, showing some love, man. And we're going to keep it coming. Slick Fresh, we out of here.